y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I'm going to be showing you guys a unit from Premium Lace Wigs today, and I'm going to be showing you all how I install as well as style this unit. And the style that I'm going to show is one that you can do on your natural hair if it's long enough. So I like to do an unboxing with each of the units that I showcase because I want you all to see what items came with it and what the unit looked like right out of the packaging. So this is the unit. Once again, this is the light Yaki texture, and for those who are wondering what the Yaki texture is, it is still human hair. However, it has been processed in order to create micro kinks in the hair so that it looks more like African American textured hair. With this in mind, Yaki texture may look different depending on the company or the manufacturer. Some may look straighter and silkier and just be much more dense, but then there are others that you can actually see the kinks in the strands. And this texture, you can more so see the kinks or the crinkles that they've created in the hair. So this is the hairline. It is pre-plucked. It looks very natural, and I really love how they constructed this hairline. It's not really boxy. It's not too round or anything. It has really nice curvatures that really give off a realistic look. So I'm just going in and showing you all what the parting space looks like. This one does have extremely deep parting space, and that's because it is a full lace, so you can part it anywhere. Now I am just showing you parting across the front hairline, but you can also part it in the back. This is what the lace looks like without bleaching the knots or anything. I love the lace that was used on this particular unit because it looks very flesh-like. You can bleach the knots and it will look so much more natural, but sometimes you don't want to do that, or use a Sally Hansen. Maybe you don't have it, so you could just use your pressed powder. You would just take a foundation brush and just stipple that onto the lace, or you can even use foundation to do this, or even loose face powder. Now I'm going to go in later with my loose face powder in order to modify or customize the parting, but we'll get to that in a moment. But I do want to make my stocking cap look more natural by changing the color because it is a little too light and it's going to show through the lace a little too harshly. When that is complete, I'm just going to pull the unit forward just to ensure that it fits my head properly. I did get a size medium, and this is a pretty average cap size, and it fit my head very well. So I'm just going to pull the unit back and proceed to add my adhesive. And for this unit, I'm going to be using the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. I use this a lot because it's so effective for me, but use whatever works for you. If the Got2b glue spray, the Got2b glue in the black bottle, if you want to even use wig glue, go for it. But I like using this because it's easy to apply and also remove. You only have to use water in order to take it off, which is a go for me. So now that the Got2b glue is tacky, I'm going to put the unit back on. I typically leave it on my head while I'm applying the Got2b glue gel, but the baby hair kept getting in my way, so I took it off. But I'm just adjusting the unit, placing it down, and y'all, I love it when the hairline fits me like a glove, and this one is amazing. I did have to go back in and fill in some areas with the Got2b glue, and that's perfectly fine. You're gonna find that you're not gonna get it right away every time. You may have some areas where if you lift it up, it's gonna flap, so you need to go back in those areas and use your adhesive again, and then go back in and just dry it until it becomes tacky, and then just use the back of your rat tail comb to press into the lace, and then use your comb in order to comb it down so that it lays really flat. When this process is complete, you can use a piece of fabric in order to tie along the front hairline so that it sets. So I do that for about 10 minutes, and you can use any type of fabric. You can use a satin scarf. You can also use the wig grip, which has been my go-to lately, but in the past I used to use an elastic band. It's really just up to you. And would y'all believe that the density for this particular unit is 130%? This unit looks so full, it could literally be 180%, but that's what happens with the Yaki texture. It has a more dense appeal. Just like our natural hair looks fuller and more dense, the Yaki texture has that appeal, so I love that about it. It has a great deal of volume. What's also pretty awesome about this unit is that although it's in length 20, y'all, this unit is long. It looks like length 22, maybe even 24. So with this particular unit, you get a great deal of length and also volume, but I'll show you all the length in a moment. I'm just going to tweeze out the hairline some more, and you all can just watch that process.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and her with his one I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah, and see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you, I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you.
All right, y'all, so this is what the unit is looking like. Now we're gonna get into the styling portion. And y'all, excuse my bloating. I know y'all saw that little belly fat. Y'all, I get so huge when it's that time of the month. I don't know why that is, but I bloat like crazy. So yeah, that's why I'm looking fat. But yeah, disregard all that. Back to the video.
I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah, and see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend,
Alright ladies, I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial and you learned a lot. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, like this video. Also check the description box for the link to this unit and all the specifications. I will see you all in my next tutorial. I love you all so much. Bye guys.